everybody, it is 8 AM here on Praia da Pipa in northeast Brazil, and today I'm very excited as I've timed my morning alongside low tide, which means that I can walk all the way along the beach into the next bay, which is known as the Bay of Dolphins. Now it is possible to do this by boat, but I've read about slightly dubious ethical and environmental standards, so I've decided to walk around, and there's a bunch of other people doing it as well. You can see behind me there's a few already making their way there. So it's very easy to look online to see when the high and low tides are, so you can time your journey, as you do have to make sure that you're in plenty of time before the water fills up the beach again, as obviously on this side of you it's some very steep cliffs which you would not be able to get over. I feel that people must get trapped quite often actually if they're having too much fun over in the next bay. So just in front of me, to the right hand side over there, there's some pretty impressive sand dunes, and it is possible to go sandboarding, so that might have to be an activity for another day. And obviously these beaches aren't always accessible, but they are much nicer than the original Praia Beach, which, although it's very pretty, it's so busy. It's full of deck chairs and umbrellas and pretty loud music, so this is nice actually. They've been catching lots of sardines this morning. Very fresh. Which will then be sold to the restaurants further up into Praia da Pipa. So I was wondering how easy it would be to see the dolphins from the shore, but literally just arrived in the bay now. And there's dolphins just out here, walking distance from the beach. Definitely don't need to go and disturb them on the boats. So the current's actually quite strong here, and the waves are quite big as well, so if you're not the most confident swimmer, it's probably best that you hire a life jacket, or you can hire a kayak if you're confident doing that. I have seen dolphins before on a number of occasions, but I think this is the first time that I've seen them whilst I'm swimming in the water with them, and it's in the wild. Nobody's baiting them over here. So there is actually a little bar with a very enterprising gentleman making cocktails, obviously caipirinhas, caipiroscas, and a number of different local beers as well. So I thought I'd finish my day here at the Bay of Dolphins with a quick cocktail, and then I'm going to head back round the coast towards Praia da Pipa to spend the late afternoon and evening. I really hope that you guys enjoyed exploring this area with me. It's been such a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!